Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Tangent.
What does the dictionary say?
Tan equals opposite / adjacent.
Math rap.
A tangent, or let's use its short form tan for example, is calculated only with a right angled triangle when you divide the length of the side opposite the angle by the length of the adjacent side of the right angled triangle.
Math rap.
Why did the dot miss the point sitting beside the right angled triangle? Because he was off on a tangent. Explain tangent in your own words. What are your thoughts on tangent? Draw the labeled image and formula found here below on your own piece of paper. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!